Hi, Paul here. Today I'm going to show you how to create gradients in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you two ways to create gradients in Photoshop. But before you start, subscribe to my channel, and now let's begin. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to new file, create a new document. I'm just going to leave this one as they are here and just put create. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create something like a gradient. Then I'm going to come to the gradient tools here, and I'm going to choose this one here. Then I'm just to give you something like a star, as you can see in my screen here. I'm just going to drag it across my screen, and there I will have a gradient. You can see the gradients from this side red coming to white. I can also you can also try to put the star at the middle, anywhere where you want the gradient to, at any angle you want the gradient to start. As you can see, you might ask me, how do I change the color? You just come here, there are many colors you can work with. Maybe let's say maybe you want blues, you can easily change this one into blues. Maybe if you come here, you want to change maybe something like that, maybe dark blue. Also, maybe the other colors that you can use, maybe if I just come, even this time I want to use purple, you can just come here and choose purple, as you can see there. And you can easily manipulate. You can even, there are more options here that you can use. Maybe you want to start from the middle, and always come here. You can see the gradients starting from the middle and going. Maybe you can, if you want to use this one, you can also try this. It's just about a matter of experimenting, and you can just always have what you need, just like there. Maybe if you want this one here, and all of them will just give you the gradient that you need. You can also come to these other options. You can always also import, load, or some gradients that you have downloaded from the internet, and many other aspects. Now that's how to simply put gradients so far in Photoshop. Now let's say you want to put a gradient in words. What do? I'll put another layer, maybe write words called maybe gradient here. I'm gonna just write gradient. Then maybe I choose a larger font here, maybe something like this. I don't like this font, maybe I just highlight like so. I come here, choose a thicker font like this one here called Boris Black. Maybe make it more bigger, maybe choose 30 so that it covers a good percentage of the screen. Maybe 36 you can do now. Now this is another way to put a gradient. I'll just come to effects here, click it, then I'll just come to gradient here. After that, it will give me this dialog box here where I can play around with the gradient. So I'll come here and choose the gradient I want. Like the one you see here is black. I don't want black. If I want red, I just come here and choose red. You can see, and you make sure the preview is selected so that you see what's happening here. So you make sure this one is ticked so that you see. You can also change the angle of the gradient like so. Now let me look for another gradient that I can use. Maybe let me try something like let me try something like orange. You see the gradient orange looks better. Then I just say okay, then there I have my gradient. Guys, that's so simple. That's how to put gradient in Photoshop. See you in the next video, but make sure you subscribe. Have a nice day.